What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh my god, crazy start off, guys. And I also just jumped. My eyes, sorry, guys.
I said let's let me.
I tried. This should be it. Should be it. Yeah, the title of the problem will be the warning is did you look contains flashing lights? A flashing light.
I feel like
that's what we surfers, man. Go. Here's the policeman beat.
Open.
How some police surfers is? Guys, so this is how Subway Surfers is. My god. I was getting closer.
I'm like
You Subway Surfers.
Actually, no, I'm Goku. I named myself.
Subway Surfers. Oh man, I want to we server like
Why you stick to my donut? Hey you, why you stick to my donut?
jump.
Oh, here!
Open it. Someone close that door. Someone close that door. Someone close that door. Oh, someone close that door.
I shoot that before you even close it. You thought you could close the door before.
Subway Surfers.
I didn't No guys, is this Subway Surfers or Subway Nightmare?
Guys, Subway Surfers be like.
Just open it.
Oh my god! It's just so in pain. Bye bye. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Someone close that door. Someone close that door. We got to put it in the video.
Little taper fade, the meme is massive. I'm cooking, let him cook, let the birds cook. I like Rizzo hustlers, drink some still water. Talk, that's how they pop out like the rainbow. Those who know, I already hit a jug in this one, switch to a new mask. I got it, chill, got 56 pay with jump or cash. We just jumped in Wyatt, step back, Wyatt was a stranger. This is the brain roll.
Okay.
Come back, I'm gonna clap your foot. No. Come back, I'm gonna clap your foot. Come back.
We gotta restart Subway Surfers, guys. Subway Surfers. Oh my god, guys! Oh my god, guys! Oh my gosh, why do we are two people that are Bomba! Oh, my belly hurts.
Strike it out.
Guys, just go. Oh yeah, just hit the Subway Surfers jump. Jump over like a thing. Come on, I almost juked this. I almost broke his ankle.
Oh, hell no.
Why the Subway Surfers? Why am I talking about so much of Subway Surfers? Yes, I opened the door! I opened the door, so now I can get in.
I don't want to listen to
Nice, just start. Press it up. 3, Oh my god. Start Subway Surfers. 3, 2, 1. Subway Surfers jump. 'Break the button!
Diamond's better. That's why I'm faster than you. Because I'm better diamond.
Time to break the button. Time to break the button. Oh my god, guys, hurry up and move the monster on. I'm gonna break that. I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna close. I'm also punch it. Oh. Do 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 do. Bro, don't need to run. I do need to run. No, don't need to run. I'll get you back. If I did, I'd be very surprised. Yeah, I did open the door. Bro, I saw my background to red. I screamed. I'm a boa. Emergency meeting the button. Emergency meeting. Emergency meeting the button. Emergency meeting. I swear to God, if they're doing flag actually comes behind me, I'm gonna scream. Oh.
Guys, I could get across.
Help! Someone! Help! No! Yes! We stay back! Stay back!
Thank you.
I'm running down. Remember. She comes along and kills me. Dude, yes! See, we're safe. We're safe. We're safe. Just need to look this way. I'm looking this way again. Yeah, I'm looking this way again, baby. Close the door. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna look this way for the monsters. Oh my god. See? Look, Jimbo. Look, Tim is good.
Wait up!
glitched.
I'm making a run for it.
See? We're safe. Oh my god, I just got jump scared. Okay. Your door. Sorry guys. Yeah, this game is flashing lights. I should turn off. Yeah, go. Damn yeah, I forgot what I was going to say. I'm not going to flip. By Sigma Cat Studios, Leaf Lab, loading scene. Cradle, rape skill by Angelique. Question mark. No. So, don't fly off after the color. Here we go. Oh my head. Wait, VIP dude. Behind you, little VIP dude. Little VIP dude.
What the fuck? My God. Yo, is he coming? Yo, Rob.
I need flying for special cages.
Oh, never mind, bro. Never mind.
Not like them cases. But like these cases!
No.
Like these cases! Hey!
He's definitely.
Oh my god, I'm screaming too much in this video, guys. If you do not like hearing loud noises, I would click off this video. Because I'm screaming way too much. Let him cook. Let the horse cook. Let the horse cook. Mago no solo. Ah! Juked! Absolute juked! No! Ah, Papa, what I am? Okay. No, okay. Betty. Not enough, man. Power. Yo, bro, just go like this. Bye. Bye bye. I can't swim. No turtle. Open sesame! Open sesame! Guys, open sesame! Open sesame!
Report blue! Report blue!
What? What blue? What blue? That blue! Someone say report blue! Yeah, we've got both menus! Like, bro, just teleport across the room, like, use Ghost Monkey! Like, blue, just go like this! Like, why are people saying report blue if you could just go like this, if you just do this? Give me a reason why we should report blue. Everyone, give me a reason why to report blue. Oh, let's go. We're teleporting right. Yes, a VIP.
I fit through the door.
Hey! You guys, don't mind me. I'm just turning tiny. Bah, bah, nah, nah. Bah, nah, nah. Bah, nah, nah.
Can you hear me?
Bah, nah, nah. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, do you want to see me become big? Look.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, I can become bigger.
What's the mask?
I'm sort of like here, like. Guys, just watch this. It's another fellow big monkey. Hi, other fellow big monkey. You big monkey. Big monkey. Big monkey. Big monkey. Come here. Big dude with sunglasses. Big dude with sunglasses. I bet I can become smaller than you. I bet I can become smaller than you. Is that the smallest you can go? Goodbye!
Look at it, Look at it.
Wait! Guys! I'm hiding. Shh! I'm gonna hide. Perfect! No one will find me here. Hey, mister. Shh! Hey! Bro, follow me! Follow me! Oh man, I couldn't! Quickly, before everyone crushes me, like the last time. You're so big! Wait, look! Best hide and seek spot. But hide here. But look. But you can go like this. Oh man, you killed me. It's the best hide. All black. Like this. No, I would find you. Zulu. VIP. What? VIP. I bet I can become smaller than you. Hey! Are you not listening? Listen to me!
How are you that small? Let's go take that small right now. I'm following you. I'm going down.
Nope.
Everybody go down here.
You're never finding my way! It's a lovely time. We just. Okay.
I'm coming. here. Got your roller coaster? Today looks good. Okay. No! Right there. Here, go.
Oh, my face! Whoa. You will never catch me alive! Run! Oh my god, I just ran to a monster. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. Don't say no. Don't say no. Pop out at 1 in the morning. Go! Bro! Bro! I'm saving people's lives. Bonk! Face!
I missed. Iron Man! And Iron Man the theme. I'm too small. I'm the big giant.
My face. Why is my eyesight like this? Oh, it's because I... Don't say no. Guys, come on!
$1 for this? I'm gonna buy this $7. No, I'm not gonna buy that.
Loaded! Loaded! Hi, little guy! It's another little guy! Goodbye, Pete!
Hey, bro, help me! I'm so small! Help me, I'm small!
No. Papa, I won't put in them. Yo, bro, I can do that as well. Tickle. Tickle. I'm tickling your pants. Poke.
Put the elevator down.
I'm poking your eye. Are you staying still? Oh. Yo, bro, let's go. Bro. No! Hey, it leads to my border. I left my soul. I was lost. It's time to go! Ah! I can't see. I ran into a wall. Bro, jump! How do we get through here? Since when? My eyesight's back like this. Oh, it's closing. Oh, is it? No, it isn't.
Know where Jimothy always lives. Jimothy, we're all over Jimothy. I think it's Choco Melon, bro.
Nope.
Bro, look at my key, bro. Jimothy.
Nope, it hasn't. Danny Knifel's to get through. Danny Knifel's to get through. Everybody run, run! Everybody run, run!
Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the?
It's a little fidget doll! I'm gonna die! That was some nice dancing! I'm tired. I'm tired! Blah. Okay, let's stop the walk. Stop the walk. It's time to walk. Hi. It's time to walk. Time to walk. Time to walk. Time to walk. It's time to walk.
Bro, what the heck?
Jumping! Oh!
Got dead.
Oh!
Bro, let's go in the emergency room.
Oh, dude. We fall. Little dude disappeared. Little dude.
Wait, we gotta evacuate.
No, dude. No, dude, you gotta stop. No. What did you just say to me? I'm sorry.
I throw up from my mouth.
What did you just say to me? I'm not gonna take no as an answer. Goodbye. This what happens. Oh, little man, I gotta save him. I can't leave him. I can't leave him there with the evil clutches of him. I can't leave him with Mr. Armless. I'm just being disrespectful to him. Turn invisible. Shh. You got the evil clutches of my toy. My toy. My toy is this guy you live from. Jerome is walking
You're
away.
here piping out. Jerome.
Jerome. Nah, Jerome can't shoot him. Jerome can say goodbye. Jerome has disappeared. Where did Jerome go?
Go back to Jimmy.
Where did Jerome go?
I heard him see that gun. I didn't get that gun. No, I feel bad. Help me. Help me. Help me. He's in the vent. He's in the vent. He's in the vent. He's in the vent.
Who's in the fence?
Jimmy, dude, run!
Jimmy.
He's not in the vent.
Where's Jimmy?
I'm following you. What's that? Crystal. And I'll give you free people.
Where's Jimmy, guys?
Yo, more crystal.
Where's Jimmy?
No, there's more crystals. I'm not.
Who's in the fence and who is Jimmy?
Oh, never mind. Jimmy's the long no arm man.
Oh, Mr. Armless. Dead end. This way. 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 Where's everyone? I'm lost. I'm scared. Where's Mr. Armless? I want to see him.
Yeah, don't put the elevator up here.
He's up here. You want what? Bong. You want bong. Guys, Jimmy's out the fence. There you are. There he is. It's good. Hey!
Son, are you okay? Hello?
Oh! 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 Let's go, Jimmy. Jimmy, don't you dare fall. Jimmy, hold that hand. Jimmy, remember what we up there when you get up. Oh my god, Jimmy, how many times do you have to get lost? Like, where are you next time? Jimmy! Oh my god, Jimmy, stop running away! Jimmy, you bad boy. Jimmy. Whoa! Jimmy, stop dropping, stop falling. Jimmy, did you fall again? Eagle friend!
What even is that?
It's Jimmy! 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 Bad boy! Jimmy! Oh, hi, Mr. Chainsaw Man. Open! Open! Thank you!
Bad boy, Sandman. Bad boy. Bad boy.
Hey, bro, me and my friend from
Go up! Go! Brrrr.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
How dare you spray me with that water? How dare you? I said how dare you?
He's over there. Where are you fighting? You be quiet. Bro, I don't care. Bro, he's over there in that corner. How about you go over there? How about you go over there? I'm not going over there. Okay, then.
This is a Batman back in the ball. This is the girl next door. Bye bye. This is Batman walking the border. being chilling. Being chilling! Oh, Mr. Normal. Mr. Do not actually has legs.
Oh my god.
Guys, why do we not have legs? Open the door! Run! Hi! Goodbye! Oh, no, I can't swim, guys! I can't swim! Guys, I can't swim! Yo, dude, thank you for going up! I cannot swim! This isn't true, guys. This is all just part of a joke. Oh, inside joke, you know. Where did you come from? Ooh, yay! Ice cream I get. Ice cream, I want ice cream. But the ice cream I went away. So I want ice cream. I've got ice cream in the house that I don't like. I think I found one left that I like. Called the bubblegum ice cream. It's so good. Lonely. Shh. Did we really just